Did you know there's a secret Windows tool that's way more powerful than Task Manager? Most people don't even know it exists. It's called Resource Monitor, and today I'll show you how to use it to find out exactly what's happening inside your PC. Press Windows plus or on your keyboard, type resmon and hit enter. And just like that, the Resource Monitor window pops up. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Let's start with the CPU tab. Here, you can see every process running on your computer, along with how much CPU power it's using. If your computer feels slow, check this tab. You'll quickly spot which app is eating up your CPU. And here's a bonus tip. If you find a program you don't need running, you can right-click and choose End Process to stop it immediately. But be careful, only end processes you recognize as safe. Otherwise you might close something important. Next, click the Memory tab. This shows you exactly how your RAM is being used. If you ever wondered why your PC feels laggy, even though you have a lot of RAM, this will tell you which programs are hogging it. Now, let's check the Disk tab. Here's where you find which apps are reading and writing to your hard drive. If your disk usage is at 100% in Task Manager, this tab will reveal the exact program causing the issue. Finally, we have the Network tab. This one is super useful for security because it shows which apps are connecting to the internet. So if you ever suspect hidden apps or malware sending data in the background, this tab will expose them. And that's the hidden power of Resource Monitor, your secret weapon for troubleshooting slow performance, high disk usage, and even suspicious network activity. So next time your PC misbehaves, don't stop at Task Manager, open resmon and see what's really going on.